A jet plane flew 2,000 kilometers against the wind in a time of 5 hours. It refueled and flew back the same distance with the wind in 4 hours. Find the wind speed in kilometers per hour. Find the speed of the jet in still air in kilometers per hour. So we have two things here. We know that x is going to be the speed of our jet. And let's let y be the speed of the wind, because one way the wind's with us and one way it's against us. Now recall that the formula for distance is equal to rate times time. And we know that our distance is 2,000 kilometers that we fly, and we know that in one case it's t equals to 5, and in the other it's t equals to 4 hours. So what's our equation? Well, we'll have 2,000, which is the distance, is equal to x, which is the speed of the plane. Now in this case, the wind is against us. So a jet plane flew 2,000 kilometers against the wind in a time of 5 hours. Well, it went 2,000 kilometers equals to our rate. Well, we know the rate of the plane is x. In this case, it went against the wind, so the wind is hurting our rate, so we have to subtract the wind off, which is y, times it took 5 hours. For our second equation, we know that again the distance is 2,000, but this time the wind is with us, so the speed of our jet is x. Since the wind is pushing our jet, we add y, so our rate is x plus y, and this time it took us 4 hours to do it. So this represents our two equations. So let's now clear parentheses. We'll have 2,000 is equal to 5x minus 5y. Our second equation will be 2,000 is equal to 4x plus 4y. So let's get rid of our y's. So if we multiply the first equation by 4 and the second equation by 5, we get 8,000 is equal to 4 times 5 will be 20x minus 20y. Multiplying 5 through our second equation, we'll have 10,000 is equal to 20x plus 20y. So if we add, we have 18,000 is equal to 40x, and our y's drop out. So if you divide both sides by 40, you get x equals to 450 kilometers per hour. So x is the speed of our jet, so our jet is 450 kilometers per hour. Now we need to find the speed of the wind. Well, we can use either equation. I'm going to use the second one here. So we'll have 2,000 is equal to, we know x is 450, so this will be 450 plus y times 4. So if we distribute, we'll have 2,000 is equal to 18,000 plus 4y. Subtracting 18,000 from both sides, we get 200 is equal to 4y. Dividing by 4, we get 4 goes into 250 times, so we get 50 kilometers per hour. So the speed of our wind is 50 kilometers per hour. So we know our plane goes 450 kilometers per hour, and the speed of our wind is 50 kilometers per hour.